This is a parrot eating the seed I seeded the yard with yesterday. Not very good name, sorry. But I'm pretty close, so I thought I'd film it. Got nearly every colour under the rainbow. There was a few here before. I don't mind giving them a bit of extra. See me standing there? I'm pretty close. Alright then. If you're going to eat my seed, you can give us something back and make us all happy and give us some viewing pleasure. What do you think, Mr. Parrot? He was chirping to me before. I'll walk a bit closer to it. Hello. Wow, see, look at that, every colour in the rainbow. You're a nice looking thing, aren't you? Just chewing on my buckwheat seed. You like buckwheat seed, huh? It's pretty big. Oh, there you go. Oh, I'm a bit close, am I? You're just going to sit there and show us your nice colours? What's that? I'm perfect with the sun right behind me. It's perfect viewing. Oh, really? Is that what you reckon? Oh. Let's go have a look then. Hey, do you know some interesting facts about birds? That you know they don't pee. Birds don't pee. In their poo, they put out uric acid, and that's what's the pee component of their poo. Hello, Mr. Bird, you're going to try and run away. I can see ya. This might be hard now. It's going to fly because I'm going to corner it. There you are. See if you can come out. Oh, there you can see. Oh, cool. It's going that way. Oh. You got nice colours. Where's all your friends gone? Oh. I'm really good at mimicking the birds' noises, but I don't know what they are, and a lot of times I'll mimic them and then they'll fly away straight away, like as if it's an angry call. Alright, I'll pause it through the fence. Oh. It's up in the tree, in the sun, so I'll let it go. That's good fun, wasn't it? Good bird adventure. Happy birding for you too. Press the thumbs up if you reckon it was good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See ya.